Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing issues with your Chromecast Ultra, you're not alone. Many users encounter problems from time to time. In this guide, we'll go through some quick fix methods to get your Chromecast Ultra up and running smoothly again. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check power supply. 1. Ensure that your Chromecast Ultra is properly connected to a power source using the original power adapter. 2. If you are using a USB port on your TV, try switching to a wall outlet for a better power supply. Step 2. Restart your Chromecast. 1. Unplug your Chromecast Ultra from the power source. 2. Wait for about 30 seconds. 3. Plug it back in and wait for it to boot up completely. Step 3. Check Wi-Fi connection. 1. Ensure that your phone, tablet, or computer is on the same Wi-Fi network as your Chromecast Ultra. 2. In the Google Home app, tap on your Chromecast device and make sure it's connected to the right network. Step 4. Update Google Home app. 1. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. 2. Search for the Google Home app. 3. If an update is available, tap on Update to install the latest version. Step 5. Reset your Chromecast. 1. Locate the button on your Chromecast Ultra. It's usually near the power port. 2. Press and hold the button for about 25 seconds until the LED light flashes orange and then turns white. 3. Release the button and wait for the Chromecast to reset. Step 6. Factory reset your router. 1. Unplug your router's power source. 2. Wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. 3. Allow the router to completely reboot before reconnecting your Chromecast. Step 7. Check for device overheating. 1. Ensure that your Chromecast has proper ventilation. 2. Avoid placing it near other heat sources, as overheating can cause performance issues. Step 8. Try a different HDMI port. 1. Switch the HDMI port your Chromecast Ultra is plugged into on your TV. 2. Sometimes, the HDMI port may have connectivity issues that can be quickly resolved by changing ports. Step 9. Contact support. If none of the above methods work, consider reaching out to Google's support team for further assistance. They can provide specific troubleshooting tailored to your situation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful content.